Hey y'all, Tia Cherie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to check out another video. If you are new or if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you can get notified of every time I upload a new video. And on this week's video, I am doing something for the DIY girls, the girls who want to save a couple of dollars, do a couple things yourself for your products, and save yourself some money but still have elegant and classy stuff for your products. I'm going to show you guys how to make labels, DIY labels right at home. All you need is a good old printer and some paper and you can make these labels for yourself. So if you're interested in learning how to make your own labels at home for your products, make sure you guys keep watching and stay tuned. So if you're anything like me, you probably have started a business and you realize how expensive it really is between the products, getting the inventory, getting the stuff to make the products or buying the products themselves, labels, shipping, all of these things, they all add up. So there are a couple things that you can do yourself to save you a couple dollars, but still keep your quality and make sure your product is still nice and it still looks pretty, but while saving you a few dollars. So I decided that I was going to make my own labels for a few of my products, not all of them, because some of them, they need to be waterproof and I'd rather have them professionally made just so that they can stand the test of time, i.e. my body scrubs, being that people are going to use those in the shower. I want them to be obviously more professional and make sure that they last so that they're not like falling off in the shower. But for other things where they're not as exposed to moisture, it's easier to honestly just make the labels yourself at home. So if you want to know how to make your own labels, then I have a little treat for you guys. So I just wanted to show you here. These are my rose oil bottles. This label was made and designed right here, as you can see there, and it does have a little bit of shimmer to it, but all I needed to do to use these was to get some templates from Avery. So here I have the Avery. These are the matte round. These are the print to edge round labels. These come in matte white. This is 22877. So you'll need this. You can find these things on Amazon. You can also find them in Staples, Office Depot, all those places. You can find them online. You can find them on Amazon as well if you want to order it from there. Staples is more expensive, so probably try to get it off of Amazon. I got mine off of Amazon, saved a couple of dollars. And then I also get the clear glossy film round labels. So I get these here. These are also from Avery. These go on top of the paper. So what I do is I put them on top to give like a clear film so that you can see it, like it's still covering the paper itself. So it's not like the paper itself is exposed. You have the clear one on top of it to make sure that it doesn't get wet and it doesn't get messed up. So if you guys would like to know how to make these labels, I'm going to take you over to my computer and I'm going to show you how to do it. And we're going to print out a couple of labels and yeah, you'll know how to make some labels for your stuff at home. So keep watching. Okay, so you're going to go to avery.com as you can see here. Then you are going to put your information in. I happen to have an account already, so I'm just going to put in my information real quick so I can sign in. I do have some saved stuff already. And you're going to go here to Avery Design and Print. You are going to go to Start Designing. You are then going to put in the template for the cards that you already have. So as I mentioned, it's 22877. Then you would select that template. You would then select this design and you would insert here your own custom stuff that you have. So you would go to add image. You can browse the images that you already have on your computer. So I have mine here already ready to go. So I'm going to open that up. And then you're going to have to play with it a little. It can be a little bit difficult at first. So bear with me as I go through this process. So you're basically going to keep designing it so that it is able to print the correct way. And you want to make sure that you get it centered and get the labels correct so that when it prints out correctly. It can be a little bit difficult at first, so just know that you might have to play around with it a little bit. As you can see, I'm doing that here. Had to play around with it quite a few times to get it correct, but just keep trying it out until you get it good. And then once you do, you'll be able to then print it. So you want to make sure that you're getting it within the line so that everything is going to be printed out on the label. As I mentioned, it could be a little bit difficult to get it correctly, but you just have to play around with it a little bit. So now you go to preview and print. I just pressed continue because I knew it wasn't going to be perfect and I was tired of trying to figure it out. You go to print it yourself, get PDF to print. It always recommends that you save your work, so I went ahead and saved mine. Then you press OK. Open PDF, and it shows you the PDF right there, and that is what you will use to print. Okay, so as you can see here, it is sent to the printer or getting ready to print. It gives you a PDF to print out. So here is my paper right here. As you can see here, this is the Avery 22877. This is the round labels. You follow the directions where it says insert this way. So you're gonna feed it in on this sheet and on this direction, one sheet at a time. So I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna put that right into my printer. I have an HP 3830. This is a regular printer. So I'm gonna press here and I'm just going to press print. And here you have it. You have your beautiful labels all ready to go. As you can see here, it prints out. They aren't printed out the greatest because they aren't necessarily even. Printer is a little bit difficult. I will say the template is a little bit difficult to get it perfect, but you know, it still looks really nice. You can print out a bunch of them at home. It makes it a lot easier to do. So here you have it, and you would just add it to your products like I have here. As you can see here, this is the paper at the bottom, and then on the top, as I mentioned before, I use the glossy film to just give it that shine and also to keep it from messing up when people are touching it with the oil on their hands. So there you have it. And it was just that simple. So as you can see here, I have 12 labels that are now ready to go. They are really nice. They look nice and professional. And all you have to do is you can add the glossy one on top of it so that it's not just paper. And it gives it a little bit of shine, makes it look better, and it also protects the paper from messing up when they're touching it with their hands and oil and water and all that good stuff. So it's really simple to do. I'm going to link the Amazon links down below in the description box. So if you're looking to purchase them off of Amazon and save yourself a couple of dollars, then by all means, the information will be down there. They are going to be more expensive if you get them from like Staples or Office Depot or any of those things. So just keep that in mind. If you like to shop on Amazon, it's right there for you. It'll be in the description box below. This is a great way to help you save some money. Obviously, we have a lot of expenses when we're running a business. So if we can do a little bit of DIY and save ourselves a couple of dollars, I'm all for it. So if you guys like this video and you would like any more DIY tricks, like maybe business cards or other things, let me know down in the comments below. I'll be happy to make a video showing you that. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any suggestions or things that you would like to see, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye.